Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 3.ET.1, Melody. We're going to be choosing a tune in major that can be harmonized with three different chords, specifically tonic or 1, subdominant or 4, dominant or 5. Those are the three chords. And the tune that I'm going to choose is called Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, also known under slight rhythmic variations as Baba Black Sheep or the ABCs. So, da 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 da. So it definitely has a simple feel. And then in terms of number of beats in a bar, could go with either 2 or 4. I'm going to go with 4. So, ask me to bracket together how many staves? 6 staves. That's a lot of staves. So I'm going to use some fancy form things so that I don't have to worry about doing another one of these. Bam. Great. So, 4, 4. Actually, gonna leave some room for a key signature. And while I'm doing that, I've listened to the tune enough, that's fine. Scale degree 1 is where it both starts and ends, so we're good there. So I need to choose a key. I'm going to go, since I didn't leave very much room for a key signature here, I'm just going to go with F major, writing that key signature on all 6 lines, different for bass clef. And then, well, I said we started on scale degree 1, da da da, da da. Maybe I'm not super sure what that interval is, although hopefully you have been spending some time learning what different intervals sound like. Da. So I start on the unknown note and I sing up or down until I find 1. Da 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 da. There's 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is where it goes up to. 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5. Want to make sure I have enough room. That's probably not going to be quite enough room. I'm being very strategic, so I'm going to write out my measures before I put notes in them. So da 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 da, and then it goes to something else. Da 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 da. And then it comes back. Da 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 da. That's exactly the same. So actually, yeah, that was fine. I can notate this all with 3 measures, thanks to the power of form tools. Da da 4 4 3 3 2 2 1. And I could just as easily have grouped these 4 and these 4 together, because they do fall in beats 1 and 2. And that's actually where the tune ends. It's going to be a fine sort of situation. And it goes da 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 da. So that doesn't come back down to 1, so it doesn't start on 4, it must start 1 step higher on 5. Actually, I'm just going to repeat that measure. I'm not even going to write it out twice. So repeat, repeat. Look at me, taking advantage of all those tools they did to save ink and time back when they were handwriting music. And I'm handwriting music, and I'm using them to save graphite and time. Yeah, I could do that, beam 4 eighth notes together. But I can't beam those eighth notes in because that would cross the middle of the measure. It would cross beat 3. That's not what we're looking to do here. So we have a repeat. And then I want to go back to the beginning and play the first 2 bars to the fine. So to the beginning, D, C, Al fine. So that's actually pretty neat. Any motives? Da 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 da. I mean, there's not really anything I would circle. There's this idea of just stepwise motion and pairs of eighth notes. Not sure that really is enough to be a motive. In terms of phrases, that's maybe 3. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da, where the first and third are the same. So yeah, I guess I'll go with 3 there. Cool. So that's what we have for, this is what I'm looking for this first section of the ear tune. And I will see you next time.